What is up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this money, this moolah, this cheddar, whatever you want to call it. Today we're talking about Nokia. I'm going to be honest today about Nokia. This is an honest moment. We got to have these moments. But before we get there, I got to show my appreciation to the people that have been here since day one. Y'all got a part of me. You got a part of me, and I really truly appreciate y'all. And even if this is your first time watching one of my videos, even if this is your last time watching one of my videos, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Just don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. Comment below what your thoughts are, and subscribe. All you gotta do is subscribe, hit the little bell. It's gonna do some magical things, and you just don't know what it's gonna do until you do it. So, with that being said, if you're also interested in joining the stocks group chat, where we're sharing information, where the goal is to build financial wealth in the group chat, shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details. And if any of my future millionaires are watching, I salute you all and I appreciate you all. Of course, I always let y'all know. Let's get this money. Now, Nokia, we got to be honest. Like, as an investor, you have to be honest. And Nokia, I have a long-term vision on Nokia. But for many, the long-term vision is hard to wrap your head around. I understand, we don't really have patience. We're not really taught patience. Everything's gimme and mine from a very young age. And the 2021 outlook for Nokia is grim. It's bare. It's like I was gonna say an analogy, but I don't want to get in trouble. But it's like it's just plain. It really makes you not want to invest in the stock. Even me as a long-term investor, I'm like, man, why they have to be so honest with their 2021 outlook? And that's actually really good. I'm actually happy that Nokia has decided to be on the very, very honest, open-ended side of it. And they're very honest about the regions that they've lost probably won't get back. As far as China, that's kind of what they're speaking on. They're honest on the prices going down in the U.S., which is kind of hurting their profits as well. That's good information to tell us. Although we may not want to hear that from a short-term perspective, it's good information. Now, they do have so many patents, right? So you might look at it and say, you might even look at their 5-year chart. I have it sitting right here in front of me. You might look at their 5-year chart and be like, they're on a downtrend on their 5-year chart. But sometimes you have to have a longer outlook and a deeper vision. And this isn't a stock that has a short term that looks good short term. It doesn't. I'm gonna be honest. It looks like a shitty company. Ooh, I don't even know how I'm supposed to say that. It looks like a bad company from a short term perspective. But the things that excite me is, one, they're in the whole 5G network frame, which I've been talking about 5G since 2020 with Qualcomm, and I feel like even since 2020, like, they've been trying to hush the 5G market as if it's not important to our civilization, to our world, when 5G is going to take our speeds and technology from here to here. So I think it's a very important component element for our just world, our economy. It's gonna be crazy. But Nokia has these patents, so many patents that they license out. They've been shooting out licensing deals left and right, left and right, left and right. They did one recently with Samsung. They did another one just the other day with a shipping company based in Japan. And that is where their momentum will come from. That is where the change will come from. Licensing those patent deals that's going to speed up everybody's process, everybody's systems, get everybody on a 5G network. Yes, we're still far away from full 5G infrastructure in the United States, but we will get there. It's going to take time, but we will get there. It's going to speed up everything. Y'all know how fast we need things because everybody's so impatient. And that's where I think they win. Also, what's benefiting Nokia is, I think it's Huawei, whatever, that Chinese company that also does the same thing, sells the same type of products. They are getting kind of banned from a lot of regions, a lot of countries. I'm pretty sure India banned Huawei just off the security factors. I guess they're kind of a threat because they share information to the Chinese government that they're not supposed to. But that's a whole nother debate. This is opening the doors for other companies, right? You know, and as long as Nokia just stays strong, stays focused on their plans and their goals and how they're going to take over that whole 5G frame, I think that they'll do good long term. There'll be plenty of opportunities long term. You know, they have deals with Verizon, they've had deals with AT&T to help it on that end. So they definitely have some patents and technology that is favorable, is the best word I can come up with. And I think that this is good. I think this is very good. Their CEO, it seems like he's handling the pressure, and you know, you start to question at $4, because I like I said, we gotta be honest. I always say, like, just because a stock is low in price doesn't mean that it's the one. And you know, in this case, I'm not looking at price. I'm not even really looking at their balance sheet, even though the balance sheet it's fair. It's a fair balance sheet, but I'm more looking at what they are doing. What are they putting their hands on? Like, from a technology perspective, and will it benefit us 5-10 years from now? Will the stuff that they're working on benefit us 5 to 10 years from now? And all I can think of is yes, because if you're dealing with 5G, it's going to speed up everything. And you know, that's just how I think about it. And you know, it's really up to you. I can't tell. I'm not telling you to buy Nokia stock, but me, I'm a huge believer. I'm gonna get a big Nokia sign to put in the background here. So every time I do a Nokia video, y'all know how serious I am. It's Nokia to the moon, and I'm gonna keep believing in Nokia. I'm gonna keep dropping, keep averaging in dollar cost averaging into Nokia. My goal is we're gonna be fair. 200 shares. 200 shares in Nokia. Next 5 years, if they double, I could be a rich man. I could be a rich man at 200 shares. I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to put any comments below. And let me know your thoughts on Nokia. Are you buying it? Are you holding it? Are you selling it? Is there something that you think negative about it that I didn't mention? Please put it in the comments below. I'd love to debate about Nokia, because I am very bullish on Nokia on the long-term perspective. So it's just time will tell. Time will tell. I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow.